Ladies, gentlemen, this is my latest project. Here it is. It's all in pieces. We've got myself a little motor, all of its accessories and tchotchkes, and we're gonna be installing it on my purple beach cruiser. Woo! Let's get this thing started. Alright, sweet. So now we're about to tackle the hardest part of this entire project, and that is attaching the rear sprocket to the rear tire. So it comes with these two rubber gasket-like items. Go ahead, split one in half, keep the other one whole. 3 metal pieces. These go on the inside of the tire. And you've got your various nuts and bolts. Let's go ahead, get this sprocket attached to the tire. Alright guys, so what I did here was I just attached 2 bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom, and what that's going to allow me to do is get the first 2 metal plates connected on the back side. I'll be able to screw in all those bolts. This is as centered as I can get it now, so as I go applying these bolts, we'll go ahead, cinch everything down, make sure this sprocket stays in the center of the hub. You should be good to go. Guys, the hardest part of this entire project done. That wasn't as bad as they make it out to seem. Just get all your bolts in. I used the hammer, knocked it around a couple times, lightly tightened everything. Then I took a tape measure. Then I made sure I was equal distance away from the spoke all the way around. Made sure it sat in the center. And guys, I'm gonna call it good. Let's go ahead. Let's move on to the rest of the project.